Luminate is both an accelerator and an investment fund. There's this huge ecosystem that they can be a part of. We grow here, we bring in more technologies, we bring in more businesses. We bring in a diversity of people and engage them with all that this region has to offer from an optics and photonics perspective.
We wanted this to be the biggest accelerator in the world for optics and imaging.
We learned a lot in business, in financing, and also in fundraising activity. And also we have very good mentors guiding us in running a business, especially in optics and photonics.
We're learning about sales and marketing, financial modeling, product development. We were able to get access to a wide range of network in the photonics and imaging industry.
I've been around the optics space applying it to different markets. You don't see a lot of facilities like this, and this is really unique.
We identify 10 early-stage startup companies from all over the world. We bring those 10 companies in, invest $100,000 into them because they have such great ideas.
As a cohort member, we had an opportunity to connect with a variety of experts with leading positions in the industry, and learning from them is a great value for us.
Before coming to Luminate, we had a prototype that was built using low-cost electronic components. After coming to Luminate, we had to start from the scratch, and the sessions here are incredibly helpful and helped us refine an application much more scalable for the future.
The Luminate experience, to us, it's been rocket fuel to drive our company forward. We've learned to strengthen our value proposition and target the right segments of customers.
In 6 months, they go from being a really cool tech concept, early stage startup, to really a functioning business.
We all came into this with backgrounds in science, medicine, or technology, but we're a lot lighter on the business side. So Luminate was able to give us access to a lot of those phenomenal resources for things that we don't have any training in.
The access to individuals in the traditional optics photonics world has allowed us to move forward faster.
We have that much faith that the company's great and it's going to grow and it's going to hire people.
It's provided funding for us to continue our technology development, and it has also provided the mentorship needed to build the connections in the local Rochester community for clinical testing.
We have an enormous amount of infrastructure here. I think that's why Rochester will succeed in this optics and photonics and imaging initiative.
Luminate was able to connect us with the domain experts to learn about how do you budget, how do you scale up your product, how do you talk about customer discovery. That's a very big change for scientists and engineers to become an entrepreneur.
Luminate has taught us new ways of thinking, new ways of seeing that we were maybe not seeing ourselves. The entire team is stronger. We're more focused. We have better understanding of what we're doing and where we're heading.
We put further investment into one or more of the companies, up to $1 million into a single company. It's going to return both financially as well as economically.
If you have an investment community and a critical mass of startup companies, it becomes very sustainable for a long period of time.
Some of the technologies that these folks are working on could have some pretty significant impact on the world. All entrepreneurs have to do is come here and start working. From co-working to offices, we've got wet labs for people that need laboratories. We've got prototyping shop with 3D printers and laser cutters.
You come here and you're part of something. You're part of a community that will help you financially. It will help you with your overall satisfaction with your business.